In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new client organization in Xero HQ, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a client, choose a plan, or start a trial, and jump straight into their new Xero organization from Xero HQ. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions in Xero HQ to add organizations and have the client's key details handy, like their legal business name, country, and any billing preferences. It also helps to have a quick idea of whether you'll start them on a trial or buy a plan right away. First, log into Xero and open Xero HQ. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click the Clients tab. This is your central hub for managing every client your practice supports. If you work with many clients, this is also where you'll search, filter, and access records, so it's worth getting comfortable with the layout. Next, select Add New Organization. This is the option that creates a brand new Xero organization linked to the client record in Xero HQ. Be sure you're choosing to add an organization, not just a contact, so that you get full accounting functionality set up for them. Now enter the client details. Use the client's legal trading name and select the correct country and base currency, because these choices affect tax settings and reporting. If you see fields for industry or fiscal year, fill them out accurately to reduce setup work later. Take a moment here to double check spelling and dates. It's much easier to get these right at the start than to fix them later. When you reach the subscription screen, choose how you want to proceed. Click Start Trial if the client should explore Xero before committing. Trials are ideal for onboarding and data migration. Or click Choose Plans or Buy Now if you're ready to purchase. You can usually change plans later, so don't worry if you're estimating based on current transaction volume. Follow the prompts to select a pricing plan, add any needed add-ons like payroll, projects, or expenses, and set up billing. Decide whether your practice will be billed or the client will pay directly, then enter the payment method and billing details. A good rule of thumb is to match the plan to expected transactions and users, and only add features they truly need. Once everything is confirmed, Xero HQ will show a Go to Xero button on the client's record. Click that to open and manage the new organization immediately. From here, you're ready to continue setup, connect data, and get your client up and running with confidence.